All right, boys and girls. What we got for you today is the RC Thunderbolt. Yes, I got this from Five Below for below $5. I think it was $3.99, I think. It's got an on-off switch. That's the feature. That's the feature it has. It goes on and off. Okay, that's it. Okay. Here's the switch right here. You can see it, right? Yeah. You turn it on and you throw it in the water and hit the button. I'm not expecting a lot, trust me. My hopes are not that high. But we'll try it out. We'll see what happens. Oh boy. This has to be the slowest boat in the world. I mean, this has to be. I don't even think speeding up this video will do justice to this thing. You can't even hear it run. It hardly even leaves a wake. It takes, I think 4 AA batteries, 3 or 4. Yeah, it's a real, it's a real pig. I mean, you can't expect a lot for $4, right? I mean, come on. I mean, you could at least expect it to make some noise. I mean, at least it could do that, right? I'm kind of following it around because I didn't know if it had any kind of range or not. Boy, oh boy. Okay. This pool is actually too big for this. Is more like something for the bathtub. Okay. This is, maybe I should go take a bath. And yeah. I don't even know if I'm going to give this away. This might just have to go right in the garbage. I don't even know if it's worth risking a flat tire for. Yep, this thing is just going to have to go in the clunk. That's about all there is to it. All right, guys. Yeah. I'm not going to waste a bunch of my time on this thing. All right, you see what the deal is. It's a turd. So, all right. I don't recommend going to Five Below and get... I'd go to Five Below and get that spider ball. That was a lot more fun for your kids. Your kids wouldn't even like this, so... I give this thing a big thumbs down for sure. Yeah, it's a turd.